In today's video, I'll show you how to connect USB devices to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now, the USB or the particular USB device that I have is this external hard drive. And to connect this, as you can see, it has the traditional type A cable, and there's no way to connect it to my Type C port. So all you have to do is to get an adapter like this one that is Type C male from USB A female, and all you need to do now is connect one end of or the USB A end of the cable to this adapter just like that, and the other end to the phone. Now before you can do that, simply go into settings first and then scroll down and select accessibility and convenience. Then you want to scroll all the way down and ensure that you turn on OTG connection so that it can be able to detect this particular peripheral device. So once that is active, simply connect this other end to your phone, Type C end on your phone, just like that. And then wait for it to be detected. As you can see, that light will turn on. Now if I go into, it doesn't bring up this pop-up for my files automatically. As you can see, my USB drive has been detected, and now I can access files from it, and it's partitioned, and I can access any files and start copying them or transferring any sort of data to it. That's basically how to connect USB devices to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Until the next video, take care and God bless.